Hello everyone. If you find this is your sign. Someone wants to let you know, like, you are always on their mind. Okay, they can't forget about you. So even though if you both are in no contact, okay, but this is the reality. You are always on their mind, 24/7. Okay, okay. Continuously checking my phone for your call or messages. So yes, someone is checking their phone because they are waiting for your call and text messages. Okay. You are the one. My heart belongs to you. Being away from you, worst feeling ever. So basically, you both are in no contact, and being away from you is the worst feeling in their life. Okay, they want to confess to you, and this person is literally waiting for your call and text. Okay, and yes, you are always on their mind. They want to let you know that. If you want to book your personal reading and remedies, you can contact me through my email ID, and you can join for a magical union manifestation workshop. Second batch is going to start from 28th June, Friday. So this is very powerful and magical workshop will help you to manifest your marriage, your commitment and reconciliation reunion. Okay, so if you are interested, you can contact me through my email ID manifestyourdream091@gmail.com. Okay, and you can join as a member of this channel. If you want to join, then you can check in the description box. You will find the link for joining. Okay, let's see. Thank you for understanding me. Thank you for always there for me. So basically, I'm getting like this person is very grateful towards you because you are always on their side. Okay, whenever they need you, they need your support, you are always on their life. I want to stay forever with you, forever, no matter how tough the situation. So something situation could be some kind of third party issues, okay, family problem, something situation that block your union. Okay, so you need to heal this situation. Okay, I feel grateful to have you as a blessing. Yes, this person feel very grateful because they have you in their life. This person feel very grateful to you. I want to resolve conflict. I promise don't hurt you anymore. Okay, so basically, maybe you and this person, some kind of conflicts. I'm getting misunderstanding. Okay, third party issues. They want to resolve this conflict with you. Okay, and this person wants to promise to you like they don't hurt you anymore in future. Okay, you trust them. Let's see with some tarot. Okay. The moon, hidden and uncertain love. Okay, so I'm getting like this girl's mirror image. Okay, so basically, this could be a twin flame relationship for some of you. You both are mirroring each other. Okay, so if you heal yourself, if you heal this relationship, definitely I'm getting with the moon card. Relationship healing is possible. Okay, and something is hidden. Okay, you need to heal that. um I'm also getting like this is a past lifetime connection. Okay, something karma that is hidden between you and this person. You need to find out this karma and resolve that for this beautiful union. Okay, um I'm also getting like this person actually want you in their life. Okay, um and this person basically is manifesting reconciliation with you. I'm getting here. Okay, this person, manifesting a romantic date with you. Okay, and I'm also getting like on your persons there are some kind of third party manipulation. Okay, because devil energy is also here. So yes, some others, third parties manipulation. Okay, because I'm getting you both are divine counterparts of each other. Okay, so that's why this third party, this devil energy don't want your union, and they intentionally create lots of situational blockages. Okay, I'm getting you need to heal that, because if you heal that, definitely union is on your destiny, because you both are destined to be each other. Okay, you both are past life lovers. Yes, two of cups. What I'm saying, emotional decision and union. Definitely emotional satisfaction. Okay, union is destined for you. You both are each other's twin flame and higher level of soulmates. Okay, so yes, Congratulations, because you deserve this union. Okay, so at this point you need to heal something. Okay, you need to do some mirror work, do some healing, because your relationship needs some healing for sure. Okay, I'm getting Scorpio energy, okay, Capricorn energy, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio energy is very strong. Okay, claim this beautiful reading.